So, when at the end of the month you get that electricity bill and you go like, wow, where did I spend all this money? What did I use it on? Did I turn my AC on for too long? Was my microwave on when I wasn't at home? Well, you don't need to worry about that anymore because Ericsson is soon coming up with smart meters. Yes, this is a smart meter right behind me. What it actually does, it monitors each and every thing that consumes electricity in your house. You can see all the appliances that consume electricity and the amount of electricity they consume. And all of that is going to be available for you to see at the end of the month as an analytics tool, which you can see over here. I'm going to have somebody from Ericsson explain all this to you right now. So let's go to you. Surbhi, tell us how does the smart meter work and what exactly can users see? What kind of information will they get when they finally, at the end of the month, go to the smart utilities analytics and see their bill and see the breakdown?
Yeah, hi. This is a smart utility analytics application which we'll be using for customers as well as the end user side. So this is the dashboard. You can have a look at it. So here is the power usage which can be viewed by the customer or a consumer. So here this is the data which will be displayed till today. So what is the consumption till today? That is 8.4 kilowatt hour till today your consumption is. Not only the power usage, you can actually check your cost. What is your cost till today? That is the $135 till today. So apart from this, you can also compare your consumption with your neighborhood consumptions. So here it displays 12% above neighborhood average here.
Okay, and the neighborhood consumption, how do I see that? How do I get that data?
Actually, what we have done at the back end is we have collected the data for the entire area and we have done a comparison test, and that's how we are displaying a 12% above neighborhood average.
Okay.
So apart from this, here you can see a list of appliances which is being used at the consumer's home. So this is lights, water heating, refrigerators, and how much energy is being consumed at a particular
So how do
house.
you guys know what appliances I'm using at my house? Because obviously Ericsson's not coming inside my house and seeing if I have my heater on or not. But is there a way of reading that information once the devices are plugged in?
Yeah, actually we have a certain set of common devices with us, like which is being used at each and every houses. So we have already set up those datas with us, and that's how we deal with the there is a set on off button. You can see it over here. So if particular lights are on, you can see okay, this light is on, and you can see that okay, this is my consumption at a particular house level. So apart from this, there is also a carbon footprint at the dashboard, which you can see it over here. So through which we can tell that okay, this much 336 is the carbon footprint which is emitted from the house at a particular from a particular consumer. So
And tell us, how does all our data reach the back end? Does the smart meter have some kind of a GPS enabled system?
yes, actually this is the smart meter. You can see it over here. So this is a smart meter through which we are getting the data actually to the front end. So we have a communication model with us through where we attach the GPRS GSM SIM through which connectivity is happening. So that's how we are getting the data.
Okay, and what is Ericsson when is Ericsson planning to start something like this, implementing smart meters in India?
In India, we are actually in the process of deployments for these energy solutions. We have recently signed an agreements with Salzburg, and apart from Salzburg, we are dealing with ABB and companies like Energion in Sweden. So yes, definitely we'll be coming up with these kind of energy solutions in India as well in pretty 6 months or 1 year of time.
Okay, you also spoke about something called operational theft management. What does that actually do and how does it work? Will you tell us?
Yeah, actually, as we know, day by day energy thefts are getting increased in nations like Asia as well as America. So, as per the World Bank report, this loss has come up to $200 billion. So we thought, okay, let's come up with some application that can, optimize these losses. So we have come up with the operational theft management application. So this is the application where you can actually see the data at the sector level, transformer level, or the consumer levels.
So I as a consumer can also see my own data and figure out if somebody is stealing electricity from me?
Yeah, actually we have created an events. In this section you can see real-time events monitoring. Here you can actually see the events which is being, so yes, consumer can see that events, okay, at this particular metering point these events are happening. Events in the sense like meter bypassing or meter tampering, these kind of,
Which is very common in India.
yes, very common in India, like somebody is stealing electricity from directly from line. So all these kinds of events you can have a look at it.